Hello everyone, welcome to Unbox Grid. Today we are looking at how to reset the iPad for selling, which means erasing the complete data from your iPad. Let's see how it's done. So now this iPad is on iOS 18 and the options largely remain the same on all the versions. So go to settings, and in the settings, in the general option, you will find out transfer or reset iPad. Click there. And in here there are two options. There is one is reset and the other one is erase all content and settings. Reset is something we will look into a different video, but in your case, if you want to sell this iPad to someone else and don't want them to have any kind of access to your iPad or your iOS data, then you need to select the erase all content option, and in here they will show you that app data and your Apple account and your activation log or your Find My Device thing, everything will be erased. And at the very top you will see they have mentioned very precisely, erasing will sign you out of your Apple account and remove your personal data, so this iPad can be safely traded or given away. So this is the simplest option. I'm not going to click on continue because I'm not planning on selling this iPad, but yes, you need to click on continue and follow the prompts and you should be able to have a brand new iPad which is ready to be sold. Thank you for watching.